When you're building a new product from the ground up, picking the right materials can make or break your production run. As a converter, we're constantly partnering with suppliers and distributors to help our customers turn their ideas into manufacturable parts. In this video, we're going to talk about how we partnered up with Mactac to help one of our customers build a stainless steel to aluminum bonding application. A company reached out to us with the idea of developing a new type of outdoor handicap button. Instead of the traditional plate with the screws that mounted to the system, they wanted to just bond that plate to an aluminum ring without any screws involved. By the time they reached out to us, they had already finalized their design, but needed our help selecting the right material for this application. Their design required something thin, durable, with robust adhesion, and could hold up outside year-round. So we tapped into our long-standing partnership with Mactac to find a material that could check all of the boxes. Mactac was a huge help to us in finding the right material that our customer eventually approved for this project. But it required lots of trialing and prototyping to get the right adhesive, like many of the adhesive products we work with. First, Mactac suggested a few different options to us that we were able to send cut to size to the customer for real-world testing. After testing each option, the customer provided us with data and feedback on how each one performed in holding that plate in place and surviving their outdoor condition testing. We took all of that feedback from our customer, relayed it back to Mactac. They took that in hand and then suggested the next round of options for our customer to test. After a few cycles of testing and relaying feedback, we landed on Mactac's IM 1763-78. A thin, double-sided white foam adhesive that delivered exactly what our customer's applications required. So once the material was finalized, we produced a higher number of sample prototypes so that our customer had the ultimate confidence that this design and material was going to work in their application. After the samples and everything was approved, we moved into rotary die cutting to produce these at the volume that our customer's application required. After receiving their first orders of these parts made at production scale and quality, they were excited to integrate these into their product offerings and show them to the market. Fast forward to today, these parts are still working exactly as advertised, and the customer has placed multiple reorders of these products as volume and demand has grown. At Strouse, we help bridge the gap between being an innovator and being a material supplier to help you find the right solution to your part. Thanks to our partners at Mactac, we were able to deliver a solution that was leading to more accessibility worldwide. Whether you need die cutting, slitting, laser cutting, or clean room manufacturing, we have the capabilities to bring your application to life. If you have a solution that you need help with, feel free to reach out to us directly so we can talk about all the aspects of your project and how we can help.